Meaning of guest beer.
Guest beer.
Guest beer.
Guest beer.
Guest beer. Guest beer is a term used by bars and restaurants in the hospitality industry to describe beers that are not part of their regular selection. These are usually offered as a special or limited edition, and can come from different breweries or regions. The purpose of guest beers is to offer customers a wider variety of options and introduce them to new flavors. It also allows the establishment to showcase local or craft breweries that may not be well known. Overall, guest beers provide a unique and exciting experience for customers looking to try something new.